I think in one day format, I have even when I was opening the inning, I always tried and made sure that whenever I'm set, I'm able to bat till 45th over and capitalize after that. So I think somewhat I knew how to play in between 11 to 40 overs, how to rotate strike, what are the boundary options. So I was pretty much confident about how I can go through. It was just matter of how I can play my first 10-15 balls, and after that the process remains the same. And definitely very important. I've been working really hard, obviously in good touch as well, so wanted to make sure that whenever I'm set, I'll try and make sure it is a big one. Sir, I think I wouldn't say there was a turning point, but I feel at phases we bowled really well. I think first 10-15 overs we bowled really well, but after that there was obviously a huge amount of dew, and since because of that the spinners were slightly out of the game. And I think after that, I feel every South African batter, whoever came in, chipped really well, played really well. So I think a lot of credit goes to them. They batted really well, and hats off to them. सर आई थिंक ये सब चीज़ें मतलब ज़्यादा सोचूं नहीं तो ही बेटर होती है, बिकॉज आप प्रेजेंट में रहते नहीं हो, एंड आपके सामने जो भी मैचेस है उस पर आपका उतना फोकस नहीं रहता है, उतना प्रिपरेशन नहीं रहता है. सो आई थिंक ऑब्वियसली मुझे याद है लास्ट विजय हजारे ट्रॉफी में मैं उतना रन्स नहीं कर पाया. ऑब्वियसली कुछ चीज़ें चल रही थी दिमाग में, पर उसके बाद ये साल मैंने ऐसे सोचा कि कौन सा भी मैच हो, एनी गेम, वेदर इट इज़ अ क्लब गेम और any red ball format, white ball format I play, I'll make sure I'll try and stay consistent, score as many runs as possible, and if I get an opportunity, well and good. Even if I don't get an opportunity, it's still fine. I think I realize that it's my duty to keep scoring runs as much as possible, and if things happen, well and good. If not, still well and good. Sir, I think 350 रन करना भी सर बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट है, स्पेशली बैटिंग फर्स्ट में. फर्स्ट 10 ओवर्स विकेट में थोड़ा मॉइस्चर रहता है, थोड़ा बॉल उतना अच्छे से बैट पे नहीं आता है, और फिर जैसे 34 ओवर्स हो जाते हैं, एक ही बॉल यूज़ होता है, तो फिर बाद में विकेट भी स्लो डाउन होता है, उतना मारना पॉसिबल नहीं है, फिर ईजी नहीं है मैं कह सकता हूँ. तो आई थिंक मेरे ख्याल से इससे ज़्यादा लास्ट मैच में 350 बनाया, ये मैच में 360 बनाया, तो ऑब्वियसली 10 रन्स का तो इम्प्रूवमेंट है. इससे ज़्यादा तो इम्प्रूवमेंट शायद डिसाइड करके नहीं होगा. हम सोचेंगे 380 करेंगे, 400 करेंगे, पर वो सामने वाले भी टीम अच्छी है, सामने वाले में भी बॉलर्स अच्छे हैं, तो फिर वो गेम प्लान तो नहीं रख सकते. फेजेस बाय फेजेस जाना होता है, कैसे पार्टनरशिप चल रही है, कैसा फेज चल रहा है, उस हिसाब से खेलना पड़ता है. सो आई थिंक 10 ओवर्स 2 विकेट गिरे थे हमारे, तो उसके बाद आई थिंक 360 रन्स करना, well, nothing यार. They just told me you'll be batting at 4 this series, and that's it. Just enjoy the game. I feel it's a privilege to have that kind of confidence from the management towards an opener who can bat at number 4 as well. So I think I took it that way, and hopefully one game to go. We'll try and continue. सर मैं खुद अभी जब भी IPL में कैप्टनसी किया, मैं खुद 13 में से 11 टॉस हार चुका था. जब भी लास्ट मैच था, राइट टाइम था, RCB के साथ मैच था, पिच में मॉइस्चर था, बारिश हुई थी, बहुत गीला था, और वही मैच का टॉस में जीता था, पर मैच हार गए थे. तो आई थिंक वो तो जो फैक्टर है वो मतलब कंट्रोलेबल तो नहीं है. एक अच्छी चीज़ है कि ये सब बड़े टूर्नामेंट्स पे नहीं हो रहा है, बायलैटरल में होते जा रहा है. तो आई थिंक एक फ़ायदा ये है कि अपने आप को या फिर एज अ टीम चैलेंज हो रहे हैं हम लोग. सो आई थिंक इसमें से इम्प्रूवमेंट काफ़ी सारी होगी, और फिर जब आई थिंक क्रूशल स्टेज आएगा तब डेफिनेटली लक अपने साइड होगा. ये मैच से पहले कुछ भी नहीं, मतलब कुछ भी नहीं. कोच सेड जस्ट गो आउट देयर, एंजॉय, प्ले योर नेचुरल गेम, व्हाटएवर इट इज़, डोंट थिंक टू मच. उतना ही, ज़्यादा कुछ बातचीत नहीं. I would say yes, because obviously batting at number 4 was also a challenge for me. So I would say yes. If I think of it, yes, definitely. I think With regards to best seat, I feel I've been able to witness him since last 1 week now. Whether it is practice, whatever practice sessions we had, he's batting unbelievable, and the amount of time he has, and how he is able to convert it in the match as well. And even this game, I think I enjoyed a lot. Mostly, I was trying to be in my zone and not really, think about how he is batting or how he is able to score runs. But the chat in between was very clear. We had set 5, 10 runs over target, and how to maneuver the gaps, or how to hit those boundaries, how we can rotate strikes. So I think the chat was around that, and I think we had really good running between the wickets as well. So really enjoyed it. Obviously, you dream of these kind of moments, and to be able to have that kind of partnership is I really enjoyed a lot. So I think 30-40 balls 100, it is in the other format. It's in T20 format. In one day format, I think there is a lot of, I would say, lot of experience is required on how to play those middle overs. You can see Virat Bhai doing it for so many years. Yes, whenever there is a situation where obviously we can put your foot on the accelerator, we try and do it. But I think one day format is completely different to T20. You cannot go in just one flow and bat in just one direction. You have to adapt to whatever situation is there, and make sure you set a good total, or you try and chase whatever it is. Sir, I think as I said, nothing changes whether I am captain of a state team, or IPL team, or whether I am just a player. Even if I go and play domestic now, obviously there is a lot of expectation from me to, even from my team, to not only score 100 or get those 50-60 runs, but get those extra runs of what caliber I have, or obviously the expectation is more. So either you're captain or not of any team, it really doesn't matter. It is just about how you are consistent, or how you are able to score runs wherever possible. 2-3 games here and there, obviously it will happen. But I think the main aim for me personally is, for me, captaincy doesn't matter at all, whether I'm captain or not captain. It is just about going out there and scoring runs as much as possible. No, sir. I think batting wise, in IPL there are equal quality bowlers as well. International, there are equal quality bowlers as well. Yes, you face these bowlers in IPL as well, but obviously scoring runs for your country is something which you always dream of, and which you always want you to do it. So definitely I wouldn't say there is less or more pressure. It is just about going out there and doing your job. क्या कहूँगा, हमेशा याद रहेगा ये स्टेडियम फॉर श्योर. पहला सेंचुरी है, तो मेरा T20 का भी पहला सेंचुरी गोवा टीम में हुआ था, तो वो भी मुझे याद है. ये भी मेमोरी में ऐड हो जाएगा. थैंक यू.